Speaking at the 16th edition of the Education Summit organized at the park in Hyderabad on 15th April 2023, Ms. Aakrusha Bellaney, Principal, Meridian School, Kukatpally, Hyderabad, spoke to the Education Times and shared her thoughts about the summit, about the possibility of technology replacing teachers, and about the initiatives she has taken regarding the upskilling of teachers in her school. Let's hear her thoughts.
Now we have with us Ms. Aakrusha Bellaney, Principal, Meridian School, Kukatpally, Hyderabad. Welcome to the summit, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
So first of all, I would like to know your experience attending the 16th Education Summit in Hyderabad.
Oh, it's been very, very enriching. Since morning, it's been a lot of learning that
Right.
I'm going to take back with me. And when you listen to experts and experiences that, each one has shared, it's a takeaway, surely.
Absolutely. Something to learn, remember, and implement in your life.
Yes.
Right. So, we talk about technology, especially after, the pandemic happened. We're in the new normal and the technology has, swept across. So education is, not left behind. So in this era, do you believe that, the technology has become so important that it can replace teachers, or how's it?
I will never say that technology can replace teachers. I'll tell you why. Because yes, the students that we are catering to now, if we see, 20 years from now, they're going to enter the competitive world or they're going to be in the market.
Right.
Now, if we are going to be the same old traditional, we are going to use the same old format,
Right.
I don't think we are going to do justice to them, because we need to give them what is going to be more apt, for them 20 years from now. And how is it that we are going to aid it? So, of course, teachers are required. Suppose I have a robotics lab, but I do not have a teacher to guide them. I do not have a teacher to help them, facilitate them as to how they need to go about. It's not going to work, right? So we have to have teachers and technology working hand in hand with each
And
other.
also reskilling the teachers.
Absolutely, because teachers also need to upgrade themselves. They need to learn. They also need to be a part of the technical skills that all the children are well adapted with.
Absolutely.
So that's how it's going to happen. Now, more than anything else, as you said, during pandemic, we did have technology supported learning, online education, which was very prevalent. But then the children, they were missing the human touch. They were only experiencing, or they were only interacting with machines. How fair is that? So they were missing out on the emotions. And now when we see that the children have come back, many have lost touch as to how to greet, how to conduct themselves, the kind of grooming, the body language. So we have to start from there on. So it's not about only technology aided learning, but it's about how to conduct yourselves also. So your values, your life skills, everything
A
is
360
very, very
learning
important, and
experience.
it has to go hand in glove with each other. So I feel my take is teachers are surely not replaceable, but they also have to keep abreast with technology, and technology is sure shot going to be adopted by each and every single person.
Absolutely, ma'am. So anything specific you have been following at your school, so it can, reskill and upskill the teachers? That is the, topic of our today's discussion.
Absolutely. So we already have adopted AI, that is
Okay.
artificial intelligence. So all our students of 8, 9 and 10 are already learning artificial intelligence.
Okay.
That is one thing, and that goes with our teachers as well. Similarly, now this year, as NEP has declared that we need to go with bagless days, so we also have 10 bagless days lined up, where each day is going to be a skill based day, and
Right.
all the teachers are being trained towards it to enhance learning such that they can make the day very fruitful for children, and they're very happy when they come to school, and there is a great learning taken back.
Absolutely, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your views. We are glad to have you here.
Most welcome. My
Thank you,
pleasure.
ma'am.